Welcome to Gaeilgeoir AI. Today we're exploring the Irish phrase n-éirí leat, which translates to good luck. Now, if you're wishing to speak to a group of people, you should say n-éirí libh, which means good luck to you all. Let's practice the pronunciation together. Repeat after me. N-éirí leat. N-éirí leat. N-éirí leat. And when we're speaking to a group of people, we can say n-éirí libh. N-éirí libh. N-éirí libh.
Craving more Irish greetings? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for a real boost to your learning journey, visit Gaeilgeoir.ai, your AI-powered Irish language companion.